This is MComp feeder protection relay test report. Okay. This is the MComp report. This is end user Pad Petroleum. Okay. Protection relay. This is client. Okay. Project KM500 gas treatment plant. This is their project and this is project number 4996. Okay. Switchgear tag. We have 3 switchgears is there. So need to enter the switchgear tag. This is feeder tag A1, B1, C1 like that. This is relay model MComp and then software version. Relay serial number and then relay make. Then general data, CT secondary current, CT ratio, PT ratio, auxiliary voltage relay, system duty, then test kit make Omicron, model CMC356 and serial number, feeder rating kilowatt, and then full load current. This is FLM is full load current, and feeder tag, and then feeder name. Okay, then it comes down. This is the measurement page, current measurement, and then voltage measurement, CT and VT voltage measurement, injected current 1 amps, and then measured values in the display. Same voltage 63.51 nominal voltage in each single phase, and then voltage in the display. Tested by, witnessed by, and approved by. Name, signature, and date. Next page, you see overcurrent protection 51. Okay, pickup value, and then time dial or trip delay. Suppose IDMT curve means we need to enter the K factor, or definite time means we need to enter the fill the timing, trip timing, then curve type, definite time or IEC curve, whatever. We need to fill this one here. Then pickup test, relay setting, what is setting value, and then pickup and drop off. It comes down. This is character, whatever the characters we have selected, and then set current, and TMS means K factor curve, and then times, multiple times, 2 times, 5 times, 10 times, or the expected value, and then actual value, operated value, expected value and operated value. Next you come the overcurrent. This is Omicron CMC356 secondary injection kit. This is VT channel, this is input, and then this is single phase input. This is also voltage input, and then this is current channel, 3 phase current channel 1, 3 phase current channel 2 current channels, and 1 3 phase voltage channel, single phase voltage channel. This is auxiliary DC supply. This is binary inputs, total 10 inputs, and then 4 outputs, binary output, 4 output. If you check the back side, one RJ45 port, with RJ45 port, and then this is associate switch, and then 2 coax connector, external interface. Okay, now we see the test universe setting. Okay, you can see now this is the voltage channel. Now 4 into 300 volt is selection 85 VA. Okay, this is our output to 300 volt. And then this is the CT. Check 6 into 32 amps. So total 6 channels, current A, current B, 6 into 32 amps. This is our CT.